How to add subtitles with VideoPad. To add subtitles in VideoPad, add your video file and place it on the sequence. Select the clip and click the Subtitles button on the Home tab. Click the Auto Subtitle button to generate subtitles automatically. Click the Add button and type in the text to add your own subtitles. Click Apply to save your changes and add the subtitles to your video. Continue watching for more details on how to add subtitles to your videos with VideoPad. Start by adding your video clip to VideoPad and dragging it onto the sequence timeline. Click on your clip to select it on the timeline and click the Subtitles button on the right side of the Home tab. This will open the Subtitles dialog where you can add and edit subtitles. If you have an existing subtitle file, you can import it by clicking the Load button at the top of the Subtitles dialog. Select your subtitle file and note that while some text effects, like karaoke, may not load correctly, the text will still display. To automatically generate subtitles, click the Auto Subtitle button in the toolbar. VideoPad will generate subtitles with timestamps and add them to the list. If you'd like to add your own subtitles, click the Add button in the toolbar and type the text into the subtitle entry box at the bottom left of the dialog. You can adjust the show and hide times by clicking on the time values and entering a new time, or by dragging the red and blue brackets on the timeline. To customize the subtitle appearance, go to the Format tab. Select from the drop-down whether you want the format changes to be applied to all subtitles or selected subtitles. Edit the font style such as bold, italics or underline, the text color, text size. Add an outline or shadow, change the alignment, or add a background. All of your changes can be previewed in the preview window. To edit a subtitle, simply select it in the list and type the new text in the entry box at the bottom. You can delete subtitles by selecting them and clicking the Delete button. You can also move a subtitle by selecting it and using the Move Up or Move Down buttons. Long subtitles will automatically wrap to the next line, or you can use the Enter key to create multi-line subtitles. To temporarily hide all subtitles from the sequence, click the Show Subtitles button in the toolbar to deselect it. If you export your video while subtitles are hidden, they will not appear in the final video. You can also export subtitles by clicking the Save button at the top of the Subtitles dialog. Choose from SSA, SRT, or VTT formats. If you're saving in SSA format, you'll be prompted to enter title and author information, but you can leave the default values as they don't affect the subtitle output. Once you're satisfied with your subtitles, click Apply to save all changes. For more VideoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.